Hey guys, we just beat the DLC for boss fight for World War II zombies, and we did it in about 30 seconds. So I wanted to show you guys how we did it. I'll let you guys watch the entire gameplay of us actually fighting him, and then the end and what all that looks like. And then after that, I'll explain exactly what we did to make it really quick and really easy. But I'll let you guys watch the fight right now.
All right, everyone got it?
It doesn't seem like you need them.
Yeah, probably not.
No return. Invalid, I would try to use your shield to blast him as much as you can. The entire time. Yeah, definitely. That's what they were doing as well.
Why would she stab him with the sword? If I'm being realistic here, like, I wouldn't go up and stab a giant dead body with the red sword.
Who is he? Who is this guy? Okay. Alright. Serious hit markers.
Yeah, right. That's why I was just gonna say that. Is he even gonna make it over anywhere else? Where is he?
Oh, we're slow. We're slow.
Yes,
Shoot that shoot!
All three of them.
He's down. He's down. Shield him. Shield him.
Wow.
That can carry you serious. Oh
No, that's it though, dude. Ready?
That's it.
Oh, that was amazing camera.
Get ready. Get ready.
no.
There we go. Okay, Nick, this is all you, buddy.
Wow,
This is all you.
Just wow. Though.
It could have been those flamethrowers. Those
No,
things.
that's
That was badass.
You know, it's funny because I had flamethrowers attached to, and I thought about using them when I was.
Yeah.
I'm really bummed. Oh well, whatever. I was almost like, let me flamethrow him. Fucking pissed.
Get ready. Get ready.
Yeah, I'm ready.
Oh God, he fell underneath the thing. Did you see that?
Amazing. 10 out of 10, guys.
I did it.
Fell through the
Jesus,
chair.
this is so
Everyone had
good.
back.
That's funny.
My God.
Now what?
Can
Everyone
you look around for a bit or no?
There wasn't anything in here, I don't think. The kids kind of looked around in here and it looked pretty empty.
That was amazing.
Wow. I can't believe we just did that easy.
Look at us. That was the gayest boss fight ever, dog.
Ew.
Dude, they were going through rounds after theirs. We didn't get our quote or anything. I killed them too fast.
Did we kill him too fast?
Yeah, we didn't get the achievement.
What?
Oh my gosh.
I
Maybe
think
we need to leave.
let's try. We
Did
didn't
we-
get the achievement
Oh,
though.
shit,
didn't get
we
any quote.
really
They
did
went
it.
through rounds and shit. Come back in here, guys. Everyone come over here. Let's
We
see.
killed him too fast and he fell underneath the chair.
Yeah, I think I should. We killed him too fast.
So we did finish the boss fight, but we didn't get the achievement. Something went wrong where he fell under the map. I don't know if it was because of us or just a glitch in the game, but I'll show you guys how we got through it so quickly. So when we first spawned into the boss arena, two of us had flamethrowers and we just started to blast him with the fire. Now we don't know if this is necessary, but it worked really well in our game and in someone else's game as well, so we didn't want to take any chances. We think that the flamethrowers were damaging him enough to make him trigger one of his attack moves where he does a blast and then it's really hard to move around. After he does that blast and you can barely move, you can see those 3 pressure plates light up with Geistcraft energy, and at that time you need to shoot them as fast as possible because it's gonna break the circuit that he has connected to them that's giving him power. He's then gonna drop to the ground in the middle of the arena, and we had one player with the shield out like meleeing him, and then the rest of us were just shooting him like crazy. We were able to damage him enough where he moved back into his chair and then it ended that part of the boss fight, and then it goes into a cutscene with Klaus. After that cutscene is over, you go back into the arena with the boss, and he's sitting in the chair and he starts to hover, and at that point we had one player with the hammer do a throw attack right at his chest, and it insta-killed him. And it's possible that we killed him a little too soon, and he did fall underneath his chair and underneath the map, but we didn't get the achievement. However, there was a group of people that finished this boss fight first. They're called Crew 5. Big shout out to those guys. They did the same strategy and it worked for them, and they did get the achievement. So it could have just been our game that was glitched. So our strategy with the flamethrower and the shield and the hammer worked really good for us, and maybe one of those isn't necessary, but it definitely does work. But I hope this helped you guys out, and we'll see you next video.